It's time for another great new construction home tour right here in my hometown of Parrish, Florida. Hey everybody, Catherine Newman. I'm so excited to introduce to you River Preserve Estates. Today we're going to see the Barbados model, and I'd love to show you what they have to offer here for a more semi-custom luxury experience. All of the homes have 3-car garages. All of the homes have tile roofs, and we're going to go through what each home has to offer. Again, we're seeing the Barbados model. This is about 2,800 square feet. I'm kind of partial to it because I myself own a Medallion home, the Barbados model. Honey, mine does not look like this. I wish it did. But it's so exciting to see what they're building here in a more boutique style neighborhood where there's not going to be as many homes. And I think this is probably going to be the best fit for those of you that like a little more upscale, you want to customize your home, and you want to add some luxury features. So this might work for you if you have that kind of budget, because yes, you are going to need some budget in this neighborhood, but I think they're well worth it. And again, no amenities for those of you that don't want to pay for amenities that you're not going to use. And if you want to know more about this specific community right here in my hometown of Parrish, Florida, be sure to watch this video here where I've made a video of the overall information, HOA dues, and that sort of thing. And in order to see all of the model homes that they have here, be sure to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you're always alerted every time a new video, not just about this community, but all of the communities, Palmetto, Lakewood Ranch, Sarasota, Bradenton, and right here in my hometown of Parrish, Florida. Let's get in there and see what the Barbados has to offer. So this floor plan the Barbados has sure changed since we bought ours 10 years ago. And I really love it. It's very open. There's a lot of windows. I'm a natural light person. Gotta have natural light. And they've made some tweaks that, of course, we didn't have. They've gotten rid of the little nook for the kitchen area. And of course, everything is expanded. I love how big this peninsula is. So this might fit your plans and your budget. Gotta fit that budget. I sure would be honored to show it to you. It's a great community. Again, there's more homes to choose here. So if this isn't quite the floor plan, or maybe it is and you just want to tweak it, it is totally possible right here in River Preserve Estates. Make sure you like and subscribe to this YouTube channel so you can see all of the communities that are offered, not just here in Parrish, but the surrounding areas. I'm Catherine Newman. I look forward to seeing you next time. I'll see you then.